This is so good. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Mmm. Gooey. Mmm. It's so hearty. All you do. Well, what I did, I have my teapot kettle. I boiled some water. I have to eat some more of this. Mmm. Mmm. Unbelievably good. I have this stuff. That's the sauce. Anyway, I boiled some water in a tea kettle. Then I'd put macaroni and cheese, the noodles, in a pot. And when that water was boiling, I just put it in there and put it back on the coals of the fire. And I threw a can of chili in there with the cheese from the packet. And that's it. A little bit of water was still in there. It's so good. You could put a little salt and pepper, but then on top, I had a bunch of packets of Domino's pizza Parmesan cheese. So grated Parmesan, literally just a box of Kraft macaroni and cheese with the cheese packet. Throw a can of chili in the pot. It's real hot. Then simmer it for 10 minutes till it gets real hot and keep stirring it. And I threw that hot sauce on there and the Parmesan. And oh my gosh, this is nuts. It's so good. Mm-hmm. Now that is some bushcraft food right there. I was going to make a video of me doing it, but it was just... It just all came together. And it's so quick and easy. I call it like a down and dirty recipe that is so simple to do. And people just think you're this amazing cook chef. Because it's just like a homemade hot dish that is so hearty. It has complex taste and texture. Oh, there's a box of macaroni and cheese. No milk, no butter, nothing. Just throw the can of chili in there, simmer it, get it real hot until it's bubbling and the beans get all real hot all the way through. Grated Parmesan cheese, some hot sauce. Food of the gods.